Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about the how can a call option premium rises by 50 to 100% when the market is itself fall by 100 to 200 points. So a lot of viewers are clicking or watching this video mainly because of the thumbnail. So it says when the market falls by 100 to 200 points, the call option rises by 50 to 100%. So it is the clear video. There is not a thumbnail is another and the video is another topic. So it is not like that, it is purely true. So as a retailer, as a retail trader, one must know what is happening in the market. And I searched many videos related to this topic. There is no video available in the YouTube to understand this topic very interestingly or very in a manner. So I thought of making this video, and it is very interesting video. Kindly watch the video till the end without skipping to understand what is happening in the market, and these things are happening in the market as well. So kindly watch the video and like, comment your honest reviews on the video, and follow me on Telegram and Instagram to know more about the Balance Trader channel. So let's start the video. Hello traders, so this is the video. So let me start the video. So I have taken yesterday's chart of Nifty, that is around 13 December. So the market started with a huge gap up and taking resistance at this point, that is 16,640 at something, and at 9:55 it made a high of 17,640. So the market is facing resistance at 17,640, right? So the market has fallen from this level at almost 200 or 250 points, right? So up to this, from this, the market fallen around 250 points. So the market has fallen to 50 points. What every trader will tell you that. So the market has fallen by 250 points. The call option goes down by whichever the premium is available. The premium price of call option has to go down, right? So here is the call option of an 18,500 call option, that is a 16 December. In a 13 December, that is yesterday. So look at this. This is a deep out of the money call option. So from this, the market has started falling around 10:10 as well. 10 o'clock on 10 minutes. So what is happening in this 10 o'clock 10? It has moved from 1.35 rupees to it's made a high of 2.55 rupees. So it does make sense, it is moved. So why it has moved? This is the effect of Greeks. So you are saying that the market is moved by 1.35 rupees to 2.55 rupees. You can make a profit of 1 rupee or 1.5 rupee. It is per lot, guys, it is per lot. So this makes sense when you knew it in a percentage way. So make sure that you buy at this price around 1.35. You buy one lot, let me say you buy one lot. So you exit around this 2.55, that is 89%. This premium has moved up by around 19% from its low. It doesn't made a low. When the market is falling, it does not break this low, that is 1.35, and made a high of 2.55. Let me tell you, if you are having the capital of let's say 1000 rupees, so the lot size for Nifty is around 50. So the premium is 1.35. Premium is 1.35, right? You have to buy 50 quantities for one lot. So what does it cost? 67.5 rupees. Suppose you are having a 1000 rupees, which is 67.5. It is an one lot. Okay, you can buy 14 lots of this option. 14 lots. Okay, for 14 lots. Okay, for 14 lots. For one lot, your profit would be 2.55 minus 1.35, right? That is 1.2. For one lot, you are making 1.2 rupees of profit. You are buying 14 lots of 18,500 call option, that is 16.8 rupees of profit into per lot. This contains 50 of Nifty, that is 15 rupees. You are making 840 rupees of profit by just on a capital of 1000 rupees. You can earn 840 rupees with a capital of 1000 rupees only. This is, I have searched many videos on YouTube related to this topic, but no one, not even a single video have posted related to this topic. This is the harsh truth. So I am telling you this because this is the effect of the Vega. This is the effect of Vega. That is one of the option Greeks as well. I am doing the option strategies related to option Greeks as well in the upcoming videos as well. So kindly share the video. So what some YouTubers may say, you don't have to study option Greeks, so you don't have to study option Greeks to trade in options and all that. So one thing let me tell you. So any graduate degrees holders are there. I have studied 4 years of engineering to complete the degree, to get the degree 4 years. So to get the degree I have to study 4 years, right? So if you have to trade options, you have to learn the options in a detailed and simplified manner. So first invest your time, then to invest in your money. So then invest your money. So invest your time first to understand the concepts related to stock market or related to anything. So then invest your money. So without learning, it is like gambling only. So because if you learned Vega or Greeks, you came to know that why this stock or this premium or this call option moves from this to this point. So if it is in correct way, there is no volume or 156k is volume is there, and 172k volume is there. Why these are buying? Why these are buying when the market falls? This has to sell, right? No, this is the effect of Vega. Let me tell you. So you can make money even with a capital of 500 or 1000 or 5000 for a small capital trader or a part-time jobber or a student who is willing to trade or who has to become a full-time trader. This is the video. So that is, I am very much excited to watch or to do this kind of a video. This is a very special video for me. So kindly watch the video. I hope you like the video. Kindly do subscribe the channel and comment your honest reviews about this video, and I will make sure that I will be doing more videos related to this topic and as well. So thank you very much.